birthday present from siapa bagi? Daddy. Cakap apa kat Daddy? Thank you, Daddy. It's a laptop. What else? What else do you have? Ada this one. And also another one. Wow, Atau, you got a lot. Don't forget to hug Daddy and then tell Daddy thank you for the birthday presents, okay? So how many birthday presents do you got from Daddy? Ada 3 atau all the big one pula tu. Yang laptop tu untuk mango lah. Oi. Daddy sure tunggu Daddy. Okay, biar Daddy makan dulu.
Wow. Computer.
Okay, but we wait for Daddy, okay?
To choose and then press the mouse to confirm. 1, 2, 10. Letter order. Let's explore the map. The school bus brings students to and from school. The police car brings bad guys to the police station. The taxi brings people to the places they want to go. The fire engine brings firefighters to the fire. The ambulance brings patients to the hospital. Traffic light. This is where vehicles stop when it is red and go when it is green. Library is the place we go to find new books. Museum. This is where we can see many old and interesting things. Post office. This is where the mail is sorted and delivered. Station. This is where firefighters stay when they are working. The swimming pool is the place we go to swim and play. Swimming pool. Airport.
Where is the playground?
A traffic light, fire engine. S is for touch an animal to learn. The farmer works hard to grow food for us. The piglet is the dog loves bones and has a great sense of smell. The lamb is the baby of. The foal is the baby of the horse. The lamb is the baby of the sheep. The squirrel lives in the tree and likes to eat nuts. The sheep has curly white fleece and gives us wool for clothes. The horse likes to eat hay and can run very fast. The cow is black and white and gives milk to make cheese. The piglet is the baby of the pig. The puppy is the baby of the dog. The calf is the baby of the cow. The dog. Touch an instrument to play.
Which way?
Activity card is not recognized.
Mommy,
Please
how?
re-enter. Hat. We put the hat on our heads to avoid direct sunlight. Toothbrush. We use the toothbrush to brush the teeth in our mouth. T-shirt. The T-shirt covers your torso. The torso is where the chest is. Mittens. We put mittens on our hands in cold weather. Shoes. We wear shoes on our feet. Sunglasses. We put some around our neck in cold weather. Trousers. Trousers are clothes we wear on our legs. Watch. We put the watch on the wrist so we can easily see the time. Eyes. We use our eyes to see. Ear. We use our ears to hear. Neck. Head. On the head we have eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Chest. The heart and lungs are inside the chest. Hand. We searching for Y is for L. Z is for I love playing it. Try, Uncle. This is how it sounds. Violin. I am good at it. Harmonica. Let me show you how. Guitar. Let's jam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit those drums a little more. Accordion. It sounds good. Seashell. Hello, I am a sea urchin. Hi, I am a turtle. 13, 14, 15. Let's 4. Y is for sun. Y is for Okay, boys and girls, let's play and learn. Toys are fun to play with. A backpack can store a lot of things. Scissors can cut paper into pieces. A bin is where we put our rubbish. A chalkboard is black and you can use chalk on it.
Press the object button to answer if you know what it is.
We have all kinds of different shapes. Why don't you write your name, Ata? Okay, Mommy try, okay? Mommy try. Mommy try lah. Tak boleh. Mommy cannot. Mommy cannot try. Only Ata can. Hello, Atta.
Guess the picture.
Guess the
Can
picture,
you guess
Atta.
what this is? Doodle on the board with a pen to see what picture will appear. Press the object button to answer if you know what it is.